Hello friends, welcome back to Natural Beauty and Cooking Tips. Today I am going to share how to remove dandruff permanently. Dandruff can cause temporary hair loss, so it's very important to cure. So let's learn 6 home remedies to treat dandruff permanently. So let's move on to the video. Before that, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Now the first home remedy is lime and water. Take 1 pot of lime juice with 2 pot of water. Use it as a last rinse of your hair wash after shampoo. Lime has a vitamin C and antioxidants, and it has a acidic and healing property that balance pH level of the scalp and reduces the itchiness. So use it as after shampoo. Then the second home remedy to treat dandruff is take some handful of neem leaves and water. Take a handful of neem leaves and boiled it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Once it cools, and strain the solution. Use it as a final hair rinse after shampoo. Your hair with this solution after shampoo. Use it as 2 to 3 times a week for a good results. The third remedy is take equal quantity of white vinegar and water. Apply the mixture on your scalp before hair wash. Vinegar helps in treating itchy dry skin and also helps to kill dandruff causing fungus and bacteria. To try this remedy twice a week. The fourth home remedy is coconut oil and lime. Take some coconut oil and mix half a amount of lime juice in it. Apply it on your scalp and massage for a few minutes. Wash your hair after half an hour. Follow this remedy 2 to 3 times a week to get good results. The fifth tip is aloe vera. The best way to take aloe vera is directly extract from the plant. Directly extract from the aloe vera plant is best. So take some aloe vera gel and apply it on your scalp. After half an hour, wash your hair with mild shampoo. Aloe vera has an antifungal and antibacterial properties. It's one of the best home remedy to treat dandruff. So please try it 2 times a week to get good results. Then the final sixth tip is olive oil to treat dandruff. How olive oil to treat dandruff? It's heat some extra virgin olive oil until it's slightly warm. Massage it on your scalp. Leave it for 45 minutes or overnight. Overnight is best. Finally, wash your hair with mild shampoo. Scalp dryness can be cured with regular use of extra virgin olive oil. It's also an effective natural moisturizer. So use this olive oil and get rid of dandruff easily. You can try this remedy twice a week to get good results. So guys, I think these 6 home remedies are very useful to you. So please like this video and share with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Anyway, thank you for watching. I am uploading videos in Tamil also, so please watch all my previous Tamil videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.